Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix app not available region. So if you see an error like that, what you need to do is to just head over to your app store because there's a high chance that that error appears because the app itself is not available to the region you're in. So to fix that, once you head over to your app store, you just need to click this purple icon right here which will redirect you to your account. And in there, you just need to click your account name right here, and this will redirect you to the account settings of your Apple. So what you need to do is you can see a country and region option right here. Just click on that and wait for it to load. So you have the option in here to change your country or region. So let's click that. And you have the option in here to choose your country. So for example, you're looking for an app that is only available to the US. So what you need to do is to pick a country that is under US. So for this, let's choose in this right here. Let's choose Canada, for example, right here. And as you can see, there's the terms and conditions right here. What you need to do is to just agree to this. Click on agree. Then let's wait for it to load. And as you can see right here, you can add a payment method that is supported to the country that you are under in. But you can also choose this none right here and you can just add that later. So in here, just put in your billing name and the billing address. So since you changed region, you need to put another billing address that is under that region. So for example, you choose Canada. So let's make a make-believe street. So let's put in here 43. And then add in here a city. So if you don't know any city on Canada, just search for it on Safari. But if you know something like Vancouver, then you can adjust it right here. Province and territory, you can choose in here. And then the postal code. So let's search for the postal code of Vancouver in Safari. So let's search for it. You can type in here Vancouver, Canada, postal code. And then you can see a number of postal codes right here. So here it is, B5K0A1. So let's just copy that, B5K0A1. And then just put in here a make-believe number. Like that, and click on done. And this will load your Apple Store. And as you can see right now, we have successfully changed our location, and you can now search for that app and you can now see that this will be available to your region now. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.